Puddles, leaves and bare trees, crisp, cool, a gentle breeze, the sound of crunching beneath my feet. You're going to start off with a bauble. Now you need the ones that open up so that you can work inside them, and you can also use this for Christmas. Start with some moss. I've got different kinds and different colours to play with. I'm going to start off with my lighter colour. So I've got my hot glue ready. Going to apply some just at the base of your bauble. I'm going to add a touch of colour with some other coloured moss. I think that's really autumny. So now I'm going to move on to my plants. I've got some real dried out flowers here. Got them from my garden. Look how beautiful they are. So we're going to trim these to size, and I'm going to have longer ones at the back, shorter ones at the front. Now I'm happy with the inside. I've got this small miniature pumpkin and this tiny little pine cone. I think it's going to look really beautiful in here, the last finishing touches. So I will show you how that looks, but I'll just show you another alternative as well. You can put in a little cute squirrel inside. You can do the same for a fox or anything that you think is kind of autumny. So there he is. His little house. I think I'm going to go quite natural for this one, so I'm not going to go with a figurine this time, but I do like that you can change it up. If I get bored, I'll probably do that. And here's the finished project. I'm really happy with it. I think it's so beautiful. I really love nature, and this is a piece of nature in a little ball, which is also my favourite. If you know me, you know I love everything enclosures and terrariums. Of course, this was really simple, easy and quick to make. It was also really inexpensive, but what I like about it is that it gives off a really high-end finished look. You know that this is the kind of stuff that you find sells really well, and for a good price too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you leave feeling inspired. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.